Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
If I visit your country, which type of food should I try?
Bangladeshi food?
What's the best time to visit your country?
Lunchtime.
What do you like to do?
I like to sleep.
What do you do with your free time?
I sleep with my free time.
What are the advantages of a bicycle compared to a car?
It's easy to steal a bicycle.
Let's talk about drinks. What is the popular drink in your country?
Water?
What do people drink on a special occasion then?
Hot water.
What's your favorite book?
Facebook.
Let's talk about history. What ended in 1896?
1895.
Who is your hero?
My father.
Why do you consider him as a hero?
He is not afraid of anything.
Is there anything your hero is frightened of?